Hi Tabooligans, hi angels, it's Sandy Taboo. For today we have a hair tutorial on this Gyaru Yorkie hair. The materials you will need are a lot of clip-in hair extensions, 16mm beads, hot glued or E3600 glued on alligator clips. You will need hair accessories, bows are perfect, or bones, or both. This is just a rose gem from my nail gem collection. You'll need cat ears and extra hair to cover the cat ears, and then the star of the show is actually this wig topper slash toupee to cover your natural hair. You'll need tons of bobby pins, extra alligator clips, a hairbrush, optional straightener. That is all I use for this hairstyle. So let's just jump right into the video. Enjoy! The first thing I'm going to do is divide my hair into... The hair that I use is synthetic. For synthetic hair, if you're new to this, you want to always start at the bottom to brush. Because if you start at the top, all the tangles and knots aren't going to let you go all the way through. You have to start at the bottom and work your way up. Now to apply the clip-in extensions, just release all the clips. Please adjust it to however you need to. We have the first set of blonde clipped in. Since I split my hair in half, now I'm going to split that half in half. I'm just going to keep the short layers at the top, clip this up. Here I go in with another set of hair. This clip-in was three clips, and I'm going to do the same exact thing on this side, another 3 clip. So this is how I cover the black hair. This is a 2-set clip hair extension, and where the black hair is, I'll take this side of clips where the combs are and just clip it onto the black hair. So you're doing the same thing that you did earlier, except it's backwards because now it's facing the front. I'm going to go over and straighten the pieces that stick out too much. I don't mind my hair peeking through the blonde extensions because it looks like highlights. Also, it provides even more thickness. Same thing on this side, the clip side where your hair is peeking through. And you're literally just going to clip it on. And insert. Ta-da! Blonde business. For this, I'm honestly... So now just going in with another set and trying to hide any of the black hair in the back, especially because the back is where you can see it the most, I feel. For the remaining hair for the crown of your head, what I do is I just braid these two, then I just bobby pin them. Do like a French braid type situation, and then just braid it all the way down. It's not perfect, but it's okay because it's going to be covered. So now I'm going to take the braid and basically put it in a circle. I just want it to be in the crown of my head. Secure it with at least 2 bobby pins. Now for the front, where my bangs are at, I like to put another bobby pin there just so it doesn't fall. Now repeat the same thing with this side. The bobby pin here, right here is the braid with the 2 bobby pin X. Now for this point, I have a 4-piece hair extension. I'm going to start it around where the bang would be on the side. Now it's time for the star of the show. It's for people who have thinning hair on the top or bald spots, and a lot of men actually use these. It's a toupee, also a hair topper. You can get these online at the beauty supply store, at the hair store, of course. So now that I don't have to bleach my hair, it's perfect. So On the other side, it comes with 2 clips, but if you wanted to wear it on its own, I would suggest one with a part, or just hide this with like some type of hair accessory. And I also cut it myself too. And I also layered all these extensions myself too. So I take the front side of the clip and I place that where my widow's peak is at, and then you just clip it down. And now you just fix it. How do I get the volume back here? Well, this is what I did. I'm not someone who teases my hair, the way that I'm saying it like this. I'm not someone who teases my hair if it's synthetic hair, because it's just gonna be a mess. You're gonna take a claw clip, specifically one that is wide on the top, and you're gonna place it where your hair was, right here. And then you see? It's like a bump it. Y'all remember bump its? You just follow the hair back onto the hair clip. And that's how I achieve the Gyaru bump without teasing my hair. This is actually a claw clip that I made. It's a brass knuckle. SandyTaboo.com and link in description. Now that we got the base of the Gyaru hair, next is the Yorkie time. I use this cat hair accessory that I already had. I place it behind the bump and put the ears where you want them to be. Remember how I said I cut this hair? I kept the hair that I cut. You can hot glue it and glue it to the ears, but I just clipped it because I want to use these again. But you see, you're just gonna wrap the hair around the ear. You can also use any hair extensions that you have that aren't ones that are cut. And in the back of the head, you can clip it with one of these clips or another alligator clip to secure it. Same with this side. Take the cut up hair or just hair extensions that you have and wrap it around. And this side I'll use an alligator clip to secure it. Let me just keep adding more hair on top so you can see the vision. And it's actually cute if you have the hair just coming longer ways and down. To stay on the puppy theme, I'm using these bone alligator clips that I made. And I just want to place it where the ear is at. This is what I have so far. Now it's time for the face. I glued 16mm beads to a mini alligator clip. I'm gonna have to move it around just to see where the face should be. Oh my god. It's so funny. I have this rose gem because I make nails. It looks like a Yorkie's nose. Oh my god. You see that? You can put some eyelash glue on the back of it, or Prozade, or any adhesive that you have. Or you can do the alligator clip method I've been talking about. And I put it where the center of the hair part is. There's the Yorkie head. Next, put something here. So today I have either a pink clip or I have this ribbon clip, but I feel like this is gonna be too much. And I have a flower. For today, let's try to just stick with the pink bow. Oh my god, it's so cute! Move the ears as much as you need to. I think it looks better up here. And you can cover the alligator clips as well. There you have it. This is my Yorkie hair tutorial. My best friend actually gave me this idea at Twop Right because I sent a picture of the toupee in my hand and I was like, my pet. And he was like, you should make a Yorkie on the top of your head. And that's how this idea came to be birthed. I saw this creator on YouTube who did Hime hair tutorial, and this creator had 2 hair toppers or something to create super huge voluptuous hair for the Hime hair. And that's how I basically created this Gyaru hair, is remembering that there was a hairpiece layered on top of a bunch of hair pieces. And then once my friend said the Yorkie, I was like, yeah, that is definitely happening. And I just love the fact that we didn't have to tease the hair. That's a little backstory on the Yorkie hair. Yay! The first time I did it, I used bobby pins just straight through because I was already doing the hair for 3 hours and I didn't feel like gluing it. I kept trying and trying and trying, and now it's here for you guys. Please tag me if you try this. I would love to see who recreates it because it's just so funny and fun. And I wish I had a Yorkie so I could take a picture with it, with this hair. That would make my life. So I need to go on a Yorkie hunt one day. Hopefully someone is walking one and I will be able to be there with my Yorkie hair. That is all I will be sharing today. Thank you for watching. I hope you learned something, and I'll see you next time.